Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about visual processing disorders. Let's get started. When most people think of eyesight, they usually think about accuracy, but vision is much more than that. When a child can't tell the difference between a triangle and a square, her eyes aren't the problem. The brain processes information in the visual world, including things like symbols, pictures, and distances. Difficulties in these brain functions are called visual processing disorders. Visual processing disorder is defined as a reduced ability to make sense of information taken through the eyes. It can affect how things we see are processed by the brain. We don't exactly know what causes visual processing disorders. Some research suggests that low birth weight and having been extreme preterm may play a role. Let's go over a few of the types of visual processing disorders, along with some helpful strategies that address them. The first one is visual discrimination. This includes difficulty seeing similar letters or symbols as different characters, such as the lowercase letters B, D, P, and Q, along with the plus and multiplication signs in math. Helpful strategies include clearly spacing out words or problems on a page. Figure ground discrimination has to do with pulling shapes out of a background, or finding a specific piece of information on a page, such as a telephone number in a telephone book. Using an index card or a marker to block out distractions while reading may be helpful. Highlighting useful information can also help those with visual processing disorders. Visual sequencing includes the ability to see and distinguish the order of symbols, words, and images. Difficulties in the classroom may include using a separate answer sheet, staying in the right place while reading a paragraph, for example, skipping or repeating lines, and reversing or misreading letters, numbers, and words. Some strategies here include combining reading with oral presentation, along with color-coding written instructions. Visual motor processing includes using feedback from the eyes to coordinate movement with other parts of the body. This may exhibit itself as difficulties writing within the lines or margins of a page, and difficulties copying notes from the board or from a book. Accommodations in the classroom that are helpful include allowing computer use or a tape recorder for lectures. Substituting oral reports for written ones can also be helpful, along with providing a note buddy to make sure notes are clear and organized. To review, the eyes look, but the brain sees. While there are many different types of visual processing disorders, there are even more accommodations and strategies that can help all students be successful in the classroom.
Created using Powtoon.